Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 15th chapter, that is the visualizing solid shapes. In the previous video already we have learned that different 2D shapes, 2D figures and 3D figures, that is the solid figures. But students, today we are going to identify the different part of the solid figures. So that is faces, edges and vertices. Different solids having the different faces, number of faces, different number of edges, different number of what is that? Vertices. So first of all we have to identify what are the vertices, which one the vertices, which one the face or which one the edge of a solid figure. Then we can find out that by using also Euler's formula we can find out that what are the face, how many faces are there, or we can apply also in Euler's formula. So let us discuss first of all or identify which one is the vertices, what is the face, which one is the edge of a solid figure. So let us see students, here first of all I have drawn that here one solid figure, that is the cube, yes, which one all sides are equal. In this figures you have studied also in 6th standard or previous classes, these figures all sides are equal. So but what are the faces, which one is the faces? So carefully understand friends, when that which one the faces, that means the edges are the combination of the two faces. Edges is the combination of the two faces, that means two flat things is there, plane surface like that, polygons like it, where you will find out. That is generally we should say what is that? Faces. Okay, in the cuboid or cubes you will find out that there are some polygons, okay, which are bounded with the line segment or bounded with the edges. So these are generally faces. So observe how many faces are there of a cube. So if you count, this is 1, 4 sides it is there, so 2 and 3 and 4, that means 4 sides you have to find out. Next, top and a bottom. So there are how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. 6 faces are there in a cube or cuboid. Okay, now these are the faces. That means if you see that friends, suppose I will show that one book friends. If you book also you can identify that. You observe that this is one book here, observe. This is the faces. Okay, so this is also one faces, this is also one faces, this is one faces, this is one faces, this is one faces. So there are how many? 6 faces are there. If you count 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 faces. And what is that? Edges? Edges means what is that? This line. That means 2 faces where they will meet. When that or in the duster also we can say these are the faces. 1, this side also 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 faces are there, but the edges what is that? Now this one and this one, these faces where they will meet, that is called as the edges. Look at here friends, the 2 faces. Now look at here, this is one faces and this is one faces. So these faces and these faces, they will meet at one point, one line. This line is called as the edges. Okay, this line is called the edge. This is one edge, 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 this is one edge. So these are the all edges. Whatever the line I have drawn now, these are the edges. So how many edges of a cube? Now there are 12 edges are there. You can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have written that to 12 edges. How many faces are there? 6 faces. Now the vertices, where the face, and that means all the line segments, the corner of that, where that all edges are meet with that point. That point is called as the vertices. This edges, this edges and this edges, where they will combine with that one point, that is called as the vertices. Okay. So how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 80 vertices are there. Okay. So friends, you know that Euler's formula. Euler's formula is what is that friends? A plus b is equal to u plus 2. You can check that also whether you have written correct or not. You can check. So how many faces? E plus F plus B is equal to E plus 2. This is the Euler's formula. So Euler's found that if one of that vertices, suppose edges we don't know. Suppose we edges don't know. तो कैसे हमको पता करना है एडजस्ट करेक्ट है या नहीं? तो ये रिलेशन पे इसको हम पुट करेंगे तो इफ इट इक्वल कम देन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल दैट इज करेक्ट. सो नाउ faces suppose I will keep it 6 plus vertices how much 8. How much it became? तो 14 हो गया. तो E plus 2 is equal to how much? 14. तो E is equal to how much? This 2 will come this side. 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. So we got that to 12. So compulsory we will get the 12. So every solid figures they have that made that what is that one formula that is called as Euler's formula. A plus B is equal to E plus 2. You can apply in that all solid figures. This is now pyramid, friends. In that pyramid, what is that, friends? You should see this is faces side, base down by down. This is one face, this is one face, this is one face, and then back side also one faces are there. Now we are observing 3 faces, and back side one faces. So total, how many faces are there? 4 faces are there. And how many edges? So this is one edges, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 edges. So this is 6 edges. Then how many vertices are there? Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 vertices are there. So these are the vertices, faces and the edges. Similarly, friends, if you go for the cone, how we should find out that vertices, how we should find out that edges, or how we should find out that faces, you have to see. Now look at here, friends. Actually, this line I have drawn, this is not edges. Sometimes you will get the confusion. This line is edges, but not line edges. That is curve like that is there. You will appear like the line, but cone is solid figures. It is not plane figure, so we should not take out this as a line or line segment. Okay. So this is vertex. Only one vertex is there, and this is curved surface. This is like a curve, like a line is there like this. So curved like that is there. So no line segment. And this is one circle like it is there. It is just like a circle. So this is curved edge. Edge this is but curved edge. And the down is there, flat face. So down, what is that is there? That is called as a flat face. The face this is curved surface. So it has one vertex. Yes, one vertex. It has one curved edge. One curved edge. This circle is there down. One curved face and one flat face. Curved face this one. And the down is flat face. So friends, remember that Euler's formula also. A plus B is equal to E plus 2. Okay. So I hope you have understand about this. What is the faces, edges and vertices, and what is the dimensions of the solid figures, and what are the dimensions of plane figures already you have studied. Okay. So now for you homework, the time is homework for you 15.1 you have to do in your notebook. Okay friends, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.